You are welcome to OS Jeremiah Entrepreneurship Teaching. I want you to listen attentively because the information I'm sharing today is going to make huge impact in your life. This young Nigerian guy contacted me early 2023, and what was his main challenges? He has been on the internet and is one of the most busiest somebody on the internet daily, but there is nothing to show for it. Now, let me tell you, after I interviewed him for about 1 minute, this is how he used to run his life. He always buy cheap courses like $2 or 1,000 or $5 or whatever courses. He attends so many programs of 1,000 to 2,000 charges for the ticket, and there's nothing to show for it. So it gets stuck for so many years. Now, this number two on the screen is the main advice I had rendered to these young folk. As from today, this is what you are going to do for you to excel on the internet. Always buy expensive course. Always buy expensive courses because one expensive courses is bigger than 100 cheapest fucking courses 90% of the time, because hardly you can't see somebody that will share the real contents in the cheapest course. That's the reason why when you go across the free teaching, free this, free that, not easy to access the real content. So as from today, always buy the expensive course for you to get direction, and you are unstoppable. This guy listened to me. He bought the first expensive course of 50,000 Nigerian naira. He joined our international website, World Internet Billionaire, the one you see below. He got direction over what he has been frustrating for quite for so many years, and he experienced the breakthrough shortly. So this is my final advice. 90% of people are suffering in number one for years instead of jumping into number two straightforward. Internet billionaire prefer number two always. That is why they are ruling the world. So as from today, I'm telling you, audience, that you are watching this episode live, learning from OS Jeremiah about entrepreneurship. As from today, live your entire life in number two, which is expensive um solution, so that you can exit the challenges very fast. Don't forget that the title for this episode is how to exit your money challenges very fast. So far, you have been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah, founder of www.worldinternetbillionaires.com, the website of 50K year as I'm today. Sometimes it may increase or decrease. I think you can join, which will make your life so different, especially in the money aspect. At the end of the day, and to allow you to exit the money challenges. Below this video, by the right, make sure that you share it across. Please, sharing is caring, so that you can impact so many lives. It doesn't cost you 3 minutes. It won't cost you 3 seconds. Below this video, make sure that you below this video by the right, please put click follow and set the highest notification. I used to post several videos weekly, monthly, so that you can gain access to the next powerful entrepreneurship video. And at the same time, I used to do webinar like 3 to 4 times in a month, so that you can gain access to any of my so powerful webinar. Also, let me hear your voice in the comments if you have benefited something in this episode or you don't gain anything at all. I can't do it alone. Please, I am fully stand to be corrected. Let me know in the comment. Finally, below this video in the description, please click that link for you to access our international entrepreneurship private room, so that you can learn massively from and benefit from OS Jeremiah over a decade of experience doing entrepreneur on the internet. I wasn't being YouTube quite for long. I registered. I'm a member of YouTube, but I wasn't active. But now I have decided to be active in YouTube. And by seeing you follow me, being active with me on a daily basis, I'll be so happy to share more value, so that so that you can benefit hugely from my internet or entrepreneurship experience for more than a decade. Thanks for learning. Meet me in the private room there.